Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So friends, finally very important updates coming forward regarding the Makaut Odd Semester Exam. So friends, finally the Makaut Odd Semester Exam admit card has been out on their official website. So now you can download it. Okay, you can see your friends. This is the students who haven't paid the exam form fee are not eligible for the download admit card. So if you have paid the admit card, if you have paid the exam fee, then you can easily download the admit card by going to the Makaut official website, log into the portal and go to the exam form section. There you can see the print option. Okay, so just click on there and you can now download the admit card. So make sure to download it and save it, okay, to the local drive, and you can also take the print out as for your comfortability. Okay, so these are the short updates regarding the admit card, and I hope that you are preparing really well for your final odd semester exam. For getting notes, PPT and other important study material, you can join our WhatsApp or Telegram study group where I am providing some notes. Okay, and best of luck for your semester exam, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.